I'm Mimmi from C-Mimmi-O. Welcome to the channel. And this time talking about how to fix your broken marketing measurement. I see a lot of B2B companies really struggling with measurement problems. The brand is undervalued, performance is overcredited, and decisions are therefore quite flawed. I'll make a guess. You can report your performance marketing ROI down to €1. But when someone asks what brand marketing actually delivers, things start getting vague. That's not a brand problem. That's an issue in your measurement. When you're in B2B, brand and performance actually operate on completely different timelines. Performance means immediate trackable marketing. Brand is long-term and compounding. And the issue is that most companies measure them separately. And what happens is that performance teams take all the credit, brand teams struggle to justify their budget, and leadership never sees the full picture. But the reality actually is that 64% of revenue involves multiple touchpoints, and that is including brand. When brand is present, conversion rates are 2.3 times higher. Deal sizes are roughly 32% larger. Sales cycles are 21% shorter, and CAC is 18% lower. So if you're not really measuring brand properly, you're underestimating your growth engine. To me, this means that you actually need a dashboard that reflects reality, not just a last click attribution. You should start thinking in 3 layers. 1, business outcome. What leadership really cares about: revenue, pipeline, CAC, and LTV. Then turn to number 2, which is integration indicators, the missing layer. And this is really where the magic happens. Conversion rate by brand awareness, deal size by engagement, CAC reduction from brand, and multi-touch revenue percentage. And then you go to the third part, which is channel performance, where you have brand metrics like awareness, NPS, search volume, and the performance metrics that are CPL, ROAS, and conversions. Most companies are skipping layer 2, and that is a big mistake. If we talk about attribution, that's where things really go wrong fast. You should not be using last touch attribution anymore, because that's like saying that only final click matters. And that's completely wrong in B2B. The better options there are being linear, which is a good starting point, U-shaped, which is best for most B2B, W-shaped, which is mainly I would suggest for mature organizations, and then algorithmic if you really have serious data. What I do recommend is start with U-shaped, because that allows you to evolve as you grow. Brand ROI proving. Brand ROI is measurable, but you need the right methods. Here are like 4 ways to prove it. Efficiency gains, which is lower CAC over time. Organic revenue, which is direct plus search-driven growth. Deal comparison, brand awareness versus cold prospects. And 4, which is brand equity value. As an example, every €1 in brand can you reduce CAC by 1.15 euros over 18 months. that's not really fluffy, that's actual financial impact. So if your CEO tells you that he doesn't believe the brand works, I don't think it's because brand failed, it's because you measured it wrong or didn't communicate it, or communicated it wrong. I have built some full frameworks that will help you execute, measure, and communicate both brand and performance metrics. If you want it with the attribution model comparisons, metric definitions, and dashboard templates, go read my full article, and you can download the complete B2B marketing guide there. The link is in the description. That's all for me now. Bye!